Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zabariev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Welcome to this month's Excel challenge. In this challenge, we're going to play Sales Analyst. Let's imagine that our boss has come to us asking for a report based on historical sales data. We've got years of data showing how much sales each sales manager has produced. Our boss has told us they'd like to see all of that data summarized in this report that they've prepared. So as you can see, we've got sales manager names across the top, years on the left. Our task is to populate this report, calculating the total sales for each sales manager for each year. In addition, we need to calculate the total sales for each person across all years of activity along the bottom. And lastly, our boss wants to know who holds the record for most sales in one year. They want us to visually highlight that in the report. The sales data that we need looks like this. Our goal is to populate our report with all of this data across all these sheets without copying and pasting the data. So we're going to use formulas. The result should be one dynamic summary table. Sound straightforward enough? We'll see. Download the challenge file and try to build the solution yourself. Good luck! Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!